Hi everyone, this is Kishore Chauhan and today we're gonna talk about time. Everyone think that don't have enough time, but is that really true? Or it's just an excuse for them? If I say that why don't you have time? People say that they are busy in doing something else. But what is the meaning of being busy? You are doing many tasks they are doing many tasks at once but can't do it properly and instead of prioritizing their time and you doing the most important work, they are wasting their time in thousands of work pending. And in this situation they need to understand the power of productiveness. What is productiveness? Productivity means that doing the task which is more important in that time, and or you can say that using the time wisely, and instead of wasting it, using your time to improve yourself, your skill set improvement, and also other different things which you can do, which is more important in this situation. And I also want to say that people also distract, um, getting more distract in these days. For example, I am using this phone. People are using this phone for entertainment and different purpose. They are, and the most waste way to mm, waste your time is social media. People are wasting their time on doom scrolling and uh, scrolling for hours and wasting their hours and think they are enough time, don't have enough time. If your screen time is more than 4 hours, you are just wasting your time and saying that I don't have enough time. Now if you understand that what I am saying, that you need to understand that you need you have to list your task. Why? Because listing the task and then just prioritizing the tasks in a value of how important it is in your current situation. And today, if I am doing this, it will help me to get better productiveness for today instead of wasting my time on meaningless things. I will do the task which is more important for today. And for from my own example, I have wasted my time, hours, many hours, in doom scrolling, and then I have wasted, instead of doing my projects, I have made many excuse in doing the task. And now I have wasted, after wasting 2 hours, I understand that instead of making any excuse, I need to understand the value of time. And I have started prioritizing my time and doing the task at the time which is important. And for you, I want to say that choose your time wisely and stop making excuse, because your excuse can be much expensive for you for tomorrow. So start prioritizing and uh, stop wasting your time on social media and start using it properly.